In this lesson, we're going to talk about proving causal arguments. And I want to add a question mark to that because really the idea, the main point here is that causal arguments are of a type just like regular inductive arguments that we've looked at before, where you don't know the underlying truth. The arguments are never proven in the way a deductive argument is, where the conclusion has to be true if the premises are. These are abductive arguments, meaning they take an observation, something that happens, and just attempt to reason for the simplest and best explanation for why that effect occurred. But that conclusion that one thing caused the effect is not proven, right? So it's just like the inductive arguments we've looked at in that sense. And to really make this point hit home, I want to bring you through the various things that people would look at when they're deciding whether something actually caused something else. And you'll see that it's really quite exhaustive, the things that you would have to consider. In contrast, LSAT arguments, cause and effect arguments, are very speculative, very brief. Not a lot of evidence is usually given. So that just gives you a sense of how weak these arguments are, and that'll make it very easy to poke holes in them or else strengthen them, which is what we're going to be doing down the line most times when we deal with cause and effect arguments. So let's read the text lesson. We'll discuss the various things that you might consider when considering whether something caused something else, and then we'll be ready to move further on into cause and effect reasoning.